Hi friends, welcome this online class of जिजाऊ ज्ञानतीर्थ विद्यालय, पाथरी रोड, परभणी. Students, today we have to see the science of standard 5th. In this book, today we have to see the information about 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is Let us solve our own problems. Okay, in this chapter we have to see the information about what are the issues or problems and what is the solution on that. Okay, if our problems are our, so we have a solution also, but we have to find that, we have to indicate, or we have to see, observe and find the correct solution on that typical problem. Okay, next, see here, let us solve our own problem. In this, what problems can you identify from the following picture? See the picture on the screen. In that picture, different problems we can see, or these problems we are also seen in our day-to-day life. Okay, see, first, my area gets water only thrice a week. The girl says, माझ्या परिसरात पाणी आठवड्यातून फक्त 3दा येते. नेक्स्ट, कचऱ्याचे ढीग साठले आहेत, नाक बंद करून शाळेत जावे लागते. The garbage has piled up, I have to walk to school with my nose covered. Next problem is, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. There is need to be a separate bicycle track, because with the help of that track we ride bicycle. Okay, and the possibility of accident is minimized. See next, my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. See, माझ्या बाबांना वारंवार तालुक्याच्या गावी जावं लागतं, तिथे जमिनीवरून तंटा चालू आहे म्हणे. So these are, and different from these, there is number of such issues we have listened in our day-to-day life or daily. Next, issue in civic life. Okay, issue in civic life, we encounter many problems in our civic life. These problems cause us inconvenience. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. If we turn a blind eye towards a problem, they become worse. See friends, the small problem is also happen big after some time. If that problem is in front of us, but we turn a blind eye towards that problem because that is so small, but small problem is after some days become a big. Okay, next, so it is best to solve them in time. When the problem is detected, there is need to be solved at that time. That is a right time to solve that problem, and it is so minimum within so time, small money, small efforts, we can solve that problem immediately. Okay, the problems faced by peoples in cities and villages can be called problem or issue in civic life. It is important to be able to identify such issue. One person alone cannot solve such problems because some problems are in civic life, they are not a personal, individual not. They are the problems of community, our village, and to solve this problem there is need to be participation of all the villagers and all the persons or the citizens in our society. So with the help of coordination of all the citizens in that village society, this problem can be solved with the cooperation of all the peoples to one another. Okay, next, they can be solved through everyone's effort and cooperation. Okay, because in the community or village peoples from different occupation, okay, so they cooperate with one another and with the help of the support that problem can be solved easily. Okay, so this is most important. Next, solving disputes arising over various issue in our town and villages can also be a problem. That is small, big, that part is different, but disputes are also a problem. The well-being of a village is affected by constant dispute. It leads to loss of unity and obstruct the progress of the village. This is the big barrier in the progress of that village. So if all the citizens are come together and solve these disputes in their village with the help of cooperation of all the peoples, that can be solved within a time and development of that peoples start immediately from at that point. Okay, if the dispute are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking to the parties involved. Okay, if small dispute are not serious, they can be solved locally by the speaking to the parties involved. Okay, both the parties to involve in that discussion and with the help of all the peoples find the correct solution on that. This is beneficial for both the parties. However, if the dispute is not solved in this way, it has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the courts. See, there is need, if the dispute is not solved in that village, so there is need to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the court. And this is very complicated process again. This requires much time, much money, okay, efforts also. So better is the way that solve these dispute in a village. Next, do you know, since 2007 the Mahatma Gandhi dispute free village mission is being implemented in our state. The aim of this scheme is that villages should be able to solve their own dispute through peaceful discussion. This method of solving disputes increases harmony in the village. Villages which have solved their disputes by using this method also get a peace award. In cities, mohalla community help to solve dispute. This is a very important or powerful scheme implemented by the government since 2007. The name of that scheme is महात्मा गांधी डिस्प्यूट फ्री व्हिलेज. त्यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये महात्मा गांधी तंटामुक्त ग्राम योजना असं म्हणतो. आणि या योजनेनं जे काही छोटे मोठे वादविवाद आहेत ते गावातली गावातच सोडवण्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचा हातभार लावलेला आहे. आणि अशा प्रकारच्या या ग्रामपंचायतला, अशा प्रकारच्या या गावाला महात्मा गांधी तंटामुक्त योजनेमधून एक विशेष रकमेचं बक्षीससुद्धा शासनाकडून दिलं जातं. कारण या योजनेमुळं काय झालं की त्या गावामध्ये शांतता सुव्यवस्था राखली गेली आणि शासनाला त्यामध्ये इंटरफेअर न करता गावातली शांतता गावकऱ्यांना मेंटेन केलेली आहे. अशा प्रकारे या प्रॉब्लेमवर ज्यांचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्यांनीच सोल्युशन काढलेलं आहे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे काय असतं, खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं या सगळ्या गोष्टी. आणि वी कॅन आयडेंटिफाय द प्रॉब्लेम्स सो वी कॅन कम solution of that problem also. So friends, the next part we have to take in the next video. Today we will stop here. Okay, thank you.